Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 BMW X7. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat, Wi-Fi hotspot, electronic stability control. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.